Welcome to MixMasters Crab Cocktails, where we make classic cocktails. We are at ASW Whiskey Exchange. Today we're going to do a drink of Brazil, okay? The Caipirinha. Actually, we're going to put a little twist on it and do a Caipirinha. We're going to start off with a couple of lime slices, okay? It's going to be a Caipirinha because we're going to add grapes. A Caipirinha is more like a Cachaça gimlet. But we'll add about 3-4 grapes in there. A little simple syrup, about a ½ ounce. Muddle that up. And then we're going to add a little Cachaça, which is a Brazilian rum. It's made out of sugar cane. We're going to do 1.5 ounces of that. Or so. All right, it was ice up, we're ready to go. Now we're gonna get a good stir on there. Classic Caipirinha, Brazilian cocktail.
She never sees me.